Alright, let's go and complete the remaining task of exercise 1. Okay, so we need to resume from task 3, and here we need to create an Azure Cosmos DB account resource. So the steps are, we first need to go to the all services, but basically we'll directly go and look for Azure Cosmos DB, and then from there we'll select and we'll click on add. So basically we need to create Azure Cosmos DB. Okay, so let's go to the Azure portal and I'll look for Azure Cosmos DB. It's here. I'll simply click on this one. Now here is the option to create a new Cosmos DB. Okay, so here you can see here are our tabs which we need to fill. So now let's go back and see what are the instructions we have now. So okay, so from the basics tab we need to complete all those activities, leave the subscription as it is default. Resource group, we need to go and select, this is the one which we created in the last video as part of task 1. And here account name, we need to give this one polycosmos, and then your name. In the API drop down list we need to select core SQL, and in the notebooks preview section we'll select off. So let's go and complete these 6 steps and then we'll come back here. Okay, so subscription will leave as it is. Resource group, we'll go and select polyglot data. Account name, we'll give it as, not this one. Account name is this one, polycosmos. And then your name, so I'll give it as Azure. API, we need to select core SQL. Notebooks preview, we'll keep it off. Location, I'll go and select East US. And then apply free tier discount. No. Okay, account type, non-production. Let's go and verify these 3 properties. Location East US, account type non-production, multi-region rights disable. Okay, so we'll keep everything off. Disable. Let's go to the networking. Now here, it is very important. So there is nothing mentioned here, right? So we'll keep the default values as it is. Networking, connectivity method, all networks. Encryption will keep as it is. Tags will leave blank. Review and create. So creation time, subscription, resource group, location, account name, polycosmos, okay, Azure, API and everything. Okay, looks good. So I'll simply click on create. So here you can see your deployment is underway. So basically it is creating a Cosmos DB instance for us. It took almost 12 to 15 minutes to create the Azure Cosmos DB account. Now here you can see that our account is ready. So I'll close and I'll go back to the, so here it says that now next thing is that we need to go to resource groups. We need to look for our new resource group, polyglot data, and from there we need to go and select the polycosmos, our Cosmos DB account. Then from there we need to go to the settings section, and then we need to look for keys. So basically from keys we need to copy the primary connection string. Okay, so let's go here. I'll go to resource groups, polyglot data, and from here I need to look for Cosmos DB. It's here. Under settings I have to go to the keys. Here you can see, right, from keys we need to copy the primary connection string. So we'll copy this one, primary connection string. I'll copy and I'll paste this in my notepad actually. So I'll type as primary connection string. I'll paste it here. Okay, close, and I'll close everything. Okay, so we are done here with the task 3. Now task 4, what it says that create an Azure storage account resource. Okay, so we need to go and look for a storage account. We need to create one, and then we need to put these many details to create the storage account. So I'll simply go and let me close this one. So here is option to create a storage account, and if it doesn't, then you can go and type here storage account. It's here. I'll simply click on this one. I'll click on plus to create a new storage account. Here it is. Let's go look for the details. So in the subscription, I'll leave as it is default. Resource group, we need to go and select polyglot data. Storage account name, this is what we need to put. Location East US. Performance standard. Account type or kind, we need to go for storage v2 LRS hot. Okay, just follow me here. Resource group, we need to go and select the polyglot data. Account name polystore, and then you guys need to add your username. So okay, Azure East US standard storage v2 general purpose LRS hot. Okay, that's it. Now we need to click on select and review. Networking will keep as it is. Data protection will leave default. Advanced again default. Text will keep it blank. Review and create. So here you can just go and verify whatever you have options you selected. Now I'm just going to click on create. So it will create a storage account for us. Here you can see your deployment is underway. So we'll wait for this to happen. So now here you can see it's done. It's complete. I'll close this one. Let's go back. And here it says review and then click on create. Wait for creation tasks to complete. So we are good here. So in this part, we created all the Azure resources that you will need for your polyglot data solution. Now next is exercise 2. So I'll catch you in the next video.